The country's first ever metro rail project cost a whopping 33,472 crore taka. The Japan International Corporation Agency JICA chipped in 19,719 crore takas as a loan, while the government of Bangladesh covered the rest. Initially pegged at 21,000 crore takas, the project's price tag shot up due to the addition of a 1.6 km section from Motijheel to Kamlapur, securing new land for each station, throwing in various new facilities. Construction kicked off in 2017 for Dhaka's Ashar Alo Metro Rail project, aiming to ease the city's congestion. Even though the inaugural metro rail ride happened about 10 months ago, city folks could not enjoy the full benefits until recently. The metro rail only ran from Uttara to Agargaon, leaving Motijheel commuters feeling a bit left out. But hold on, there is a good news. The Agargaon to Motijheel section opened on October 4 and Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina personally inaugurated this. City residents are now all smiles, expressing their excitement.